Basic meaning in Yoruba language. Level 5. Asaho Utubemi Uvu, that is the bedroom, living room, bedroom. Lesson 3. The living room. Chair, agbara, table, image, door, eke, window, ọ̀bàkpọ, lock, àkpẹrụsịavre, key, usiavre, television, ekpeturughe, telephone, itinagofu, chef, ikpekpa, computer, ekpetiona, bed, ukpe, pillow, okuyomi, blanket, itiani, clothes, emwa, wardrobe, okaro, mat, ere, lamp, okidimukpe, fan, ajuju, clock, ugojo, desk, image, rọgbọrọ. Thank you.